What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button down below. Please click the little bell next to it and you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And today should be pretty good. Joe's friend Jonathan has invited Joe and myself on a cornfield mallard hunt this morning. Just hooked Joe's trailer up. It is currently 3:30 in the morning. We're going to go meet Jonathan at the field and then set up all the decoys, set the camera stuff up, and wait for the show to begin. There's a lot of ducks in the field, so should be a pretty good hunt, hopefully. So I'll pick you guys back up once we have everything set up in the field. So stay tuned. Go. No. Kettle. Copper here. Copper here. Kettle. Kettle. Heck yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Folks, I hope you can see me. This is absolutely insane. I have not shot. Oh, here they come. Here they come. No. No. Kennel. How many fell? 5? Kennel. No. Kennel. There we go. 5 more. I've been just filming. No. And they are freaking doing it. Dirty. Yeah, I think it was 2 heads. Buck running on the right. Woo! Sick. Oh yeah, deer. Yeah. Deer. Black duck, and a drake. Oh! Boom! Black duck, and a drake. Oh! Look at my gun. They're dead. Go! Oh my god. Oh, now we're killing. Woo! Who clapped the one behind? There we go. Good shot. Well, folks, hopefully you can hear me / see me good. We need one more mallard. We got all our mallards. Okay. Now hopefully you guys can hear me. Yeah, wait, you need one more mallard.
Sorry, bird dog.
We need one more mallard to finish off our mallard limit. But there's a lot of geese flying around and a lot of black ducks mixed in with the mallards, so hopefully we can get a few more of those. Okay, well folks, we're back at Joe's house. I didn't want to film anything else in the field because it started freaking downpouring like crazy and didn't want to soak the camera gear. But little to say, it was an absolute amazing hunt. Ridiculous amounts of ducks. Ridiculous. Geese are flying over. Okay. Yeah, ridiculous hunt. Thank you very much, John, for inviting us. I will never forget it, that's for sure. We had thousands of ducks working us, for sure. I hope the video is all good, hopefully. I'm going to check it over here in a bit. Got a bunch of amazing pictures. And yeah, I guess hopefully get a banger next time again. So hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell next to it and you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching.